Okay, on example 3, we actually kind of have to work backwards. So in this problem, the volume of the cone is 12 pi feet cubed, and the radius is 3 feet. Find the exact height, slant height, lateral area, and total area. So I'm going to go ahead and draw my cone first, and I'm going to write down what I know. And I know that my radius is 3. Not sure what the height is, the slant height, lateral area, total area, all that I'm going to find. Okay, let's go ahead and start off with what we know is given, and it's the volume of the cone. And I know that the volume is equal to area of the base times the height divided by 3. The volume is 12 pi. The area of my base times the height is divided by 3 is 12 pi. So to get this, I'm going to solve. I'll multiply both sides by 3. That cancels out. I get 36 pi is equal to the base, area of the base, times the height. Now, at this point, I still have two variables, so I can't solve it. So I have to figure out either the base or the height. And looking at my diagram, the only thing I could really find is the area of the base. Because I know for the area of the base is a circle, and I know that is pi r squared. And I happen to know what r is. It's 3. So that means that the area of the base is going to be pi times 3 squared, which turns out to be 9 pi. So if capital B is equal to 9 pi, I could substitute that in for capital 2B, which is be equal to 9 pi h. So to get my h by itself, I'm going to divide both sides by 9 pi. 9 pi cancels here. Pi's cancel here. 36 divided by 9 is 4. And that is my height. So I'm going to put 4 feet. So 4 feet is my height. Now to find the slant height, I'm just going to use my Pythagorean theorem, but I could use that, but I also know that this is the basic triple. And what I mean by that is it's a 3, 4, 5 right triangle, which means C is equal to 5. So my slant height is going to be 5 feet. And you can work that out if you want. If you don't remember that, it'll be 9 plus 16, which is equal to 25. Square root of 25 is 5. Okay, now the lateral area, we know the lateral area is equal to pi radius times the slant height. And we happen to have all that now. So the radius is 3. So we're going to have 3 times the slant height of 5. And then we're going to put pi on the end of it because we want exact. So this guy's going to be 15 pi feet squared. And that's the feet squared is because it's 3 feet times 5 feet. So feet times feet gives me feet squared. Now the total area is going to be the lateral area, which we just found, plus the area of the base, and we found that back over here. So we just got to add that up. So we're going to have, let me fix my equal sign. So that's going to be my lateral area we found to be 15 pi plus we found the lateral area to be 9 pi, and that will give us 24 pi feet squared. And that's that.